I want to show you a little capo trick that we do in the professional world. Now, normally someone would just stick a capo right on the middle of the space in the fret. I'm taking number 4 here, and it'd be kind of like this, and then just tighten the thing up or clip it down, however your capo works, like this. But what can happen, especially if your guitar is not set up very good, is it pulls the strings out of tune. So what we tend to do is we move it up as close as possible, even almost touching the metal fret. That way we'll stay in tune perfectly. So now listen to the strings. Yeah. So why is it doing that? So either it's not tight enough, which that's probably the case, or we've gone too far. So you have to be careful not to go too far. Let me adjust this a little bit. Turn this down. Let's have a listen. Sounds good. Yeah, so there you go. Let me know your thoughts. Have you used a capo like this, or one of them clip capos, or a pencil with an elastic band? Yeah, whatever. Bye. I said bye.